Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12 FS and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find display and brightness. Let's tap on it. Now let's find the auto screen off option. Let's enter, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest option available, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.